Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Uhe nong aktien jo kesengsan partai Lok Janshakti Party, Usanjay Saraf, ulawan syakni kanong ba Shillong ban Ïalap election. Bat ro ban penkre yaki kertong kibasyen on sapen bena susu. Nalor ba ke LGP kadang sapen bena ya tang wei kertong haduk menta. Laong ba latmu ban sai haduk kumba shiphongot ki kertong ki ban ya aireng na penthorom kra nong tmai kumjo na borok sautli ki constituency ki ba hakni kanong ba Shillong. Usanjay Saraf habakren bat kinong patai kubor nekasni ke santarik rompang ha Shillong Press Club. Ulong ba ke LGP ka yang halor kanong rem ban rat dingkong ya ka bamsam ban kentiu ya ka yok ka kot ke kia bat banwara ya ke jing munto yu pat ba babon balang. Shosho ulong ba presiden ke LGP Uram Vilas Paswan menteri ke sarkar kami badai pet ya ketnat food and civil supply. Unsawan banyu kejat ha ke Jylla Meghalaya. Ban kami hi dalade ya ke jing penkre jong ke LGP na ke benta ke nik election ha ke nik Jylla. Ukertong ke LGP ban aireng na maulai constituency uba don lang nongbri ulong baki matrikam kiba ulabu akmat lada ujab kilang ban penkre no ya ke them tenyon na Martin ke bah maulai moyong sa ke wepat ke jaka ban nat na ke jingpang bat ke wepat ban perlong an ya ke village administration bill bat ban penrong ya ketien kasi katkum ke artikel 344 jang ke constitution. Hakani ke jikendo ya kinong patai ke bor hne kasni lai don langru u state president jong kani kaseng u Jamil Ahmad.
We are contesting almost 5 to 6 seats, out of which Doleng, Nobri, Maulai, that has been already, they have filled the form. Milson, Songma, Selvisa, that is also under. Jirong, Nongthi, Memai, Nongthomai, and Pathan Pokra. These are 4-5 seats where discussions are going on out of one.
And South Shillong also.
Yeah, for Shillong also 5-6 seats where almost 2 people have already submitted their forms. Some of our candidates will get the seats. So there will be some issues which party is going to discuss. First, the major issue is through Consumer Affairs Ministry. Whatever the fund comes, whatever the allocation of the food under NFSA, National Food Security Act, whatever it comes to the state, it is not being properly distributed in the state. And they will see the proper distribution. Whatever comes from the center should reach to the people of this place. Below poverty line is being given to all those people who are having other facilities. So that is the major fraud which is going in the state. Second part is for the farmers, waiver of their interest and other, because the farmers are having very bad shape.